Hi, welcome to DPS 2019. I'm Surbi from Data Platform Geeks, and I have with me the great speaker Kevin. Hi, Kevin. Welcome to the conference.
Hello, thank you.
So, how has your experience been so far?
A bit tired with some jet lag, but really nice venue. The food was good, and I had a lot of attendees at my session earlier this morning.
So, what did you speak about, and how was the interaction with the attendees?
I talked about common T-SQL mistakes, and there's about an infinite number of things that you can do suboptimally with that. So I gave them quite an extensive list of things that I see at my clients all the time that they can take back immediately and start to fix in their systems.
And how was the response? Was the audience attentive and interactive, or was it just a one-way communication?
Actually, no, I started out trying to draw them out before my session even started. I said, hey, we can do some free consulting while we're waiting, and tried to make sure that people would get some questions, and I did pretty good.
Okay, great. So, is this your first time to DPS?
It actually is, yeah. I've known some of the leaders here for quite some time and have wanted to come out, just never worked into schedule, and now I've got a brand new passport, and my first stamp was landing in Mumbai 2 days ago, so very exciting.
So, what is it that you find most exciting here, and what is that one thing that would bring you back again next year?
Let's see here. Most exciting, I'm just surprised at the number of people that you've got and how you fit them into the venue that you've got here, which is quite amazing. And I think what will bring me back is, I've just gotten here this morning, so I haven't gotten to see that much, but I see a lot of people, and they seem to be asking questions. I had a lot of questions after my session, which was really good.
Great. So, one final message that you would like to give to the world out there, that how do they need to upskill themselves in this new era of technology, where there is a perpetual shift from that we have seen in recent so many years. So, how do they need to accommodate?
Yes. Bloggers are obviously one good choice, but make sure you know who you're reading to make sure they know what they're doing. And I would also say, you need to invest in yourself. You need to take the time to learn about the new things and study them, even if you got to do it on your own because your job doesn't provide you the opportunity.
Great. So thank you so much, Kevin, for your time and for your kind words. We wish you a great experience ahead at DPS.
Yep.
Thank you.